Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to send disappearing photos on Telegram. To do this you have just to go to Telegram and go to the conversation where you want to send this picture or photo, and after that go to the library of your pictures or photos by clicking on the paperclip on the bottom left of the screen, and after that scroll until you find the picture that you want to send. Click on it, and in the bottom of the screen when it's written at the caption, there is number 1 next to it. Click on that number 1, and as you can see it tells you choose how long the media will be kept after opening. You can, if you want, it will be view once, view for 3 seconds, for 10 seconds, or for 30 seconds, or do not delete. So if you want it to be like disappearing, you have to choose view once. And as you can see, it tells you photo set to view once. And after that, you can just send it. And as you can see, you will see your picture blurred with that fire icon inside it and with the number 1 on the top left of it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.